Hi, my name is Nancy Griffin, and I work for William Raveis in Chatham. And I'd like to take you on a video tour of 58 Attucks Trail out here on Morris Island. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous spring day. And since with the coronavirus, a lot of people are not able to come see homes, I thought I'd take you on a short video tour. This is my first video, so please forgive me for any shaky cameras or incomplete if I miss something, but I'm going to do my best. All right, happy spring and enjoy the tour. Right now, this is the beautiful driveway and privacy, which I think everyone's going to be looking for. And we're going to go into the home. And here we are. What I love about this house is that you walk in and there's just huge sunken living room to enjoy with your family. Beautiful hearth fireplace, wood burning, plenty of nooks and crannies and built-ins. And we're gonna step down here and we're gonna go over and we're gonna walk outside. And this is the deck, and the house is on 1.56 acres. So anybody who would like to have beautiful outdoor space, 1.56 acres, plenty of room for a pool and conservation in the back, this is the house to come see. We just came in from the deck, and now we're gonna step up and we have a beautiful dining room area. We have an enclosed porch with electricity, skylights, heat, cable for TV. And we've got a lovely open kitchen, gas stove. The heat is with oil, but we do have natural gas to the house. Go down here and we have lovely cabinet, alarm system, and then a 2-car garage. Next, from the kitchen through the dining room, you can see this nice open space for family. We're going to go down to the hallway to the 1-bedroom master. And I apologize, there's no lights in here. We don't have any lamps. And then the first floor bathroom. So very spacious first floor master. Side powder room, there I am, and first floor washer and dryer. Again, beautiful, beautiful living room. We're gonna go upstairs, and upstairs is a treat. We have 2 large bedrooms. At the end of this hallway, this is called the lobster room. These 2 rooms are shared by a bath. And then we've got a lovely loft area for a crafts area, a little den, office, and then the second master overlooks the outside deck. And we're going to walk through the dressing area and then into another beautiful bathroom. Here we go. Now what I love about this house is that it does not have a basement. It has a 4.5-foot crawl space. But what it does have for someone to finish off, if they'd like, is a walk-up attic. And I'm telling you, I can just see this finished for extra sleeping space. Is someone like a bonus room, a yoga room, just a hideaway, plenty of space. You could dormer out the side, but very nice And of course, we will have all of these treasures cleared out. I know that it's difficult to, understand about how much land does come with this house. So let me take you over to back to the kitchen, and here is a map showing you the plot plan. So look at all the land you have in the back, and then towards the north, it is abutting conservation. 1.56 acres. Okay, so there we have it. My first video walkthrough. Just want to show you a little bit of the side driveway and how beautiful it is with the flowers coming up and plenty of room for cars. Also, just to introduce you to my real estate associate, Zara. Would you like to say hello to everyone? Zara, say hello. There we go. Okay, so there we have it. Beautiful Morris Island. Gorgeous house. There's Hope, my assistant. There's Hope. And we have deeded rights to the beach. But most of the time the owners here walk to the Monomoy Wildlife Sanctuary, which is gorgeous, and we'll get a video of that as well. All right, hope all are well. Zara, it's time to get in the car. Come on, everybody wants to see where the beach is. Let's go. Okay, so here we are at the Monomoy National Wildlife Refuge, and you can walk to this from 58 Attucks Trail in Chatham, here on Morris Island. I mean, a lot of people don't know about this spot. It's a sanctuary. The birds, the ocean. So here I am at beautiful Chatham Beach. Look at all the peeps out today getting fresh air before the weather changes tomorrow and we all have to stay inside. You know, regardless of whether this is just an unprecedented time in our country, in the world, communities are coming together. We're so blessed that it's happening at this time of the year where we could be outside. We've got food, we've got shelter, we've got electricity. We're all really very, very, very blessed. So stay safe. Enjoy your little tour of Morris Island, Chatham Light Beach, and I'll show you the lighthouse in a second. And God bless everyone. There we go. Beautiful Chatham Lighthouse. The famous Coast Guard. So let me know what other information I could provide you for 58 Attucks Trail. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, natural gas, 1.56 acres, oil, just gorgeous, gorgeous Morris Island. Walk to the beach, and then just a short drive to Quinesset Light Beach. Look at those folks out there clamming. Gorgeous, gorgeous Cape Cod day. So blessed.